Hi, welcome to the course here. In this course, we will be creating a stylized crate and we will integrate that crate. This is the crate we have. We will integrate this crate into the environment. We will be creating only the crate model, not this environment. You will learn to create material setup for the props and creating an instance of a material. We will start by creating our 3D model in Maya. Blender, where we will create the same model in Blender also. We will do the UV in Maya. Same model we are creating in Blender also. This is a bonus lesson. We will do a UV also here in the Blender. The sculpting we'll do in ZBrush. We will apply alphas for our wooden grains, the stylus grains. We'll export the model into Substance Printer and create our textures there. So get ready for the course. Hope you will all like the content. So let's start.